Hello and welcome everybody to the fourth day of spookiness on the Theatre Guy. I hope you're all doing very well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do this black eye and bloody nose makeup. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so the first thing you guys are going to do, you're going to take the black color on your makeup palette, and we're just going to darken right here and right here, because we want to make the most bruised spots there. So we're going to just take a little bit of black, as you can see here, a little bit of black, and we're just going to pop it right here. You could also do it on the other side. It all depends on which side you want your black eye. So we're going to put our black eye on the right hand side. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of black right there, like so, as you guys can see. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of black right here as well, like so. Okay, so next thing you guys are going to do, we're going to take the red color on our makeup palettes, and we're just going to make a small red line just under our eyelashes on our black eye. So just going to take a little bit of red, and we're going to put it right under our eye. Ooh, okay, so as you can see, that is a little bit thick, but we can work with that. So just do it like that, basically as thin as you can. It's not the end of the world if it is a little bit thick, because we are going to blend it with the purple underneath to make it look bad. So basically just do it as thin as you can, like so. There we go, like so. Okay, next thing you guys are going to do, you're going to take your dark purple color, it's like so, and we're going to put it just here. We're going to start by putting it over the blacks, the black part of our black eyes, just to make it that dark purpley color. Okay, there we go. As you can see, that's already like a dark, like badly bruised purple color. Put over the top black here, like so. And then obviously you guys can also spread it down and out like that. Like so. You guys can see. You guys can also spread it out towards the bottom of your eye like here. Next we're going to take our dark purple, and we're going to go just here on the inside of our eyes, basically where our sleepies would go, just on the inside of our nose right there. And we're just going to darken that spot there as well. Right like that. There we go, and as you can see, my eyes are already starting to look quite battered up. Okay, and we're just going to join the two right here and spread it across like that. Okay, next you guys are going to take make sure you guys are using different fingers for this. I'm using the same hand, so if you don't have a cloth or something, you can always wipe off your fingers, but if you're not, make sure you use different fingers. I've used this one for the purple, so I'm going to use this one for the pink. Okay, so now we're going to take this sort of pinky color right here. It's kind of like a in between dark and light pink. It's a medium pink. I'm not sure what shade it is, but we're going to take that and we're just going to do a little bit here, like here among our purple, under where we put the red for our eye. We're just going to put it right there, like so. As you can see, even this pink, we're going to put the purple over now, just to make it better. You can put a little bit on top of our eye as well, not too much, just a little bit there, like so. Okay, and then we're going to take our purple finger again and take the same dark purple. We're just going to pat it over the eyes like that, just like that. Okay, that sort of bruised effect. Now you guys can also blend the pink and the purple up top here on your eyelid, like so. Ouch, my eye. Okay, so there we go. As you can see, my eye is looking pretty bruised already. Okay, so I just want to spread this up a bit as well, so it meets my eyebrow here. Okay, so next thing, we're going to take our red, our darkish red color on our palette, and we're just going to put a little bit here in the corner of our lip. We're going to put it here on the left hand side of the lip, just here, so it's opposite to the eye, and also so just to make you look really bloodied and really banged up. Pretty good. Okay, just in the corner of your mouth like so, like that. And we're going to take the purple again, just a slightly lighter purple, this one here, the slightly lighter purple. We're just going to go, just dab it along the red, like so. As you can see, looking pretty bruised there now, or inflamed, let me say. You guys can actually take a little bit more purple than that, and we'll just dab it along the edge. We want to get that bruised effect and look. Maybe just a little more purple. That's right, it's best to add, a little bit by little bit than have too much. Don't overdo it, because then you're going to have to rub everything out again. Okay, so there we go. We've got that, pretty much got that bruised effect look there. And now also we're going to take some of our red and we're going to add it up to our eye right here. Just going to spread it out there a bit, just to make this look a bit more blended, because at the moment it's very pink dominant, as you guys can see right there. So yeah. Then we're going to take, once we've done that, we're going to take our purple again and we're going to go over that again. Because the goal here is to get a bruised effect, but not too purple. It must be a bluish bruised effect here. And you guys also notice that I'm not touching that line, the red line I made under my lashes. Just go around that line. Make sure that line basically stays there. You guys can go in the corner of your eye, just there. Okay, so we can also take some of our leftovers here, just dab it on the lip there, like so. Bloodied up and bruised. Even put a little bit here, this side, just to add to it all, you know. Okay, so next we're gonna, once we've wiped our fingers off, we're gonna take our black again, and we're just gonna make a ridge right here where our black eye is, along our cheekbone. Because if you've noticed, I'm using this picture, or let me put it here, this picture as a guideline. I'll link this picture in the description along with all the makeup stuff you need. But that's the reference picture I'm using. So as you can see in this picture, they've got like a ridge, well, a bruising down the side of their face. And that's also, what more happens if you do fall. You're going to get that bruising along or down your face. So we're just going to make a little line like this, just as a guide, like so, just like that. Also going to blend this, I'm just going to smudge it so it's, you know, it's just a dark line. Also make sure it's basically in line with the curvature of your eye, because that's where, you know, the way your cheeks do go. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to take our blue color. We're going to take this blue color right there on our palettes, and we're just going to take that and go along the black of our scar here. Go along there like that. Again, just add little bit by little bit. You can always add more. Just go along like so. Okay, so once you guys have done that, you guys are going to take your purple again, and we're going to go over it with that. So again, we're just going to dab it first, and then as it gets more blended, then we're going to start smudging a bit. You see, I'm starting to smudge already like that. I'm also going to take some purple and put it up here as well. I didn't really put that much up there. Okay, so once you've blended everything nicely like that and all mixed well, it's all mixed well, we're going to take the red color on our palette, the same one we used earlier on our mouth, and we're just going to take that, and you guys can do it on either nostril, obviously it's all your preference, but I'm just, you know, doing it in the right hand side. So you're just going to take your red, a little bit of red, and just put it around your nose like so. Just smudge up and around your nostril like that. As you can see, I'm doing. This red is quite a light red. Definitely go with a darker red if you can, but I could always just add a little bit of black, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that now. Okay, so once you've done that around your one nostril, we're going to take the black again. Again, remember to swap fingers, don't combine your colors, and mix your colors, unless they're on your face, don't mix your colors. And you're going to take just a little bit of black and just dab every here and there on your bloody nose, like that, just to make it a darker red sort of color. Then we're going to take our purple again, and we're going to combine it. We're just going to dab, dab and dab, just up like that, so it's like this dark bruised sort of look like that, the rest of your face. Okay. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of blue to this part here, to the underside of my eye, just add a little more depth. So just add a little bit of blue there, and then smudge it down, a little bit of blue, smudge it down, a little bit of blue, smudge it down, like that. Okay, make sure this cheekbone goes along there. You guys could even make this cheek bruise thinner than it is. You could even be half the size than this one. You know, it's all your preference. Okay, so once you've bloodied up all your areas and they're all blended nicely, we're going to take some fake blood. So what you can do is most fake bloods will come in like a squeezy bottle like this, so you can just apply it to the areas, but if it doesn't, just use little drops at a time. So first we're going to just drop this here, make little drops here, right, like that. Just going to spread it like so. There we go, make make that bloody effect. And then we're just going to put a little bit just on the inside of our nostril, and then let it run down as well. We can do that as well. And there we go. Put our glasses on. And that's how you create a bruised makeup effect. I don't know why I'm speaking like that. I suppose that's my geek voice, but yep, that's how it's done.
Trying hard, but you wanna be my.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you tap that like button and then subscribe down below to keep up to date with all our latest content. Also, if you guys would like to use this makeup tutorial in any of your dress up, please make sure to tag me in the photos with these social media handles. Well guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace out, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey guys, thank you so much for liking, commenting and subscribing. If you guys would like to see the next video in this series of spookiness, you can click right here, or if you'd like to check out one of my other videos, you can click right here. Also, if you guys want to subscribe to me, the Theatre Guy, for more awesome content just like this, you can click right here. Well guys, cheers for now, and I'll see you in the next video.